Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss in brief about the multiple choice questions based on environmental chemistry. First question: Dash is responsible for turning the Taj Mahal yellow? Options: Option A chlorine, B chlorofluorocarbons, C sulfur dioxide, and D nitrogen dioxide. The right option is option D sulfur dioxide. Coming to the second question, in the atmosphere, which of the following is closest to the Earth's surface? Option A stratosphere, B troposphere, C mesosphere, and D ionosphere. The right option is option B troposphere. Question number 3. Acid rain is due to presence of water vapor in air, B presence of dust, C carbon dioxide, D oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. Acid rain is mainly responsible due to the formation of sulfuric acid and nitric acid in the atmosphere due to the presence of oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. So option D is the right answer. Question number 4. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? A. Wind, B. Coal, C. Biomass, D. Solar. B. Coal is the right option. Question number 5. Which of the following chemical is used to cause artificial rain? Option A aluminum chloride, B hydrogen bromide, C gold oxide, and D silver iodide. The right answer is option D silver iodide. Question number 6. BOD stands for option A biogenetic oxygen demand, B biometric oxygen demand, C biospecific oxygen demand, and D biological oxygen demand. Option D, that is biological oxygen demand, is the right answer. Question number 7. Which of the following is responsible for global warming? Option A nitrogen, B oxygen, C carbon dioxide, and D carbon monoxide. Option C carbon dioxide is the right answer. Question number 8. BOD of municipal sewage may be about A 2 to 5 mg per liter, B 13 to 14 mg per liter, C 200 to 300 mg per liter, D 150 to 200 mg per liter. Option C 200 to 300 mg per liter is the right answer. Question number 9. Presence of soluble organics in polluted water causes. Option A undesirable plant growths, B depletion of oxygen, C fire hazards, D explosion hazards. Presence of soluble organics consumes oxygen, so it is responsible for the depletion of oxygen. Option B is the right answer. 10th question. Presence of non-biodegradable substances like alkyl benzene sulfonates from the detergents in the polluted water causes A persistent foam depletion, B option B depletion of dissolved oxygen, option C fire hazards, and option D explosion hazards. So alkyl benzene sulfonates are the detergents. So detergents will cause persistent foam. So option A is the right answer. Question number 7. Burning of fossil fuels causes global warming. Option B ozone depletion, option C acid rain, option D eutrophication. Burning of fossil fuels responsible for global warming. So option A is the right. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Option A, carbon monoxide, B, carbon dioxide, C, water vapor, D, methane. Option A, carbon monoxide. Question number 13. Freon 12 is option A, CF2Cl2, B, CFCl3, C, CCl2F2, CCl3F. Option C, CCl3F. Option D, CHClF2. The right option is option A, CF2Cl2. Question number 14. Ozone holes are observed in A, Arctic region, B, Antarctic region, C, near equator, D, none. Option B, Antarctic region is the right answer. 15th question. Which of the following is used in the estimation of COD? Option A, methyl orange, B, potassium dichromate plus sulfuric acid, C, alum, D, calcium oxychloride. The right option is option B, potassium dichromate plus sulfuric acid. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.